Winnie, what's the matter? What is it? What do you need? What's the matter? Oh, you're looking for Jared? You can't go in. He's not home. No, you can't go in there. You want to go see Jared? Is that what you want? Oh, you want to come see me? You want to see the camera? What are you talking about? Oh my goodness, purring and everything? Come here, buddy. Quinn, what do you want? What is it? Oh, even me? You rub on me? You're being sweet. Yes, you are. You're being sweet. But the kids aren't home. You can't go in their room. You can't go in.